Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Samsung account and ensure the phone is online. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. This is where Find My Mobile lives. Make sure you know the Samsung account password because removing tracking requires authentication. If the phone is offline, put it on Wi-Fi or mobile data and wait for it to reconnect. Now go to Settings, Biometrics, and Security to begin the removal process, so you don't get blocked later. You now open Settings, tap Biometrics and Security, then choose Find My Mobile. Turn off remote controls first because that severs remote access, and then disable Send Last Location to stop automatic pings. When prompted, enter your Samsung account password. This confirms you own the device and prevents unauthorized removal. Once the toggles are off, make sure the screen shows Find My Mobile disabled. That verifies success. If you plan to factory reset, do it only after completion to avoid re-enabling protection. You finish by signing out of the Samsung account. Settings account, Samsung account sign out. Once signed out, perform a factory reset if desired. This ensures activation lock won't reappear. Make sure the phone boots without asking for the previous Samsung credentials. If toggles won't change, re-enter the password and reboot, or use the Samsung Find My Mobile web portal to remove the device from your account. If problems persist, contact Samsung support with proof of purchase to resolve activation lock issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.